Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to Express. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started buying into Amazon. Now, buying into Amazon is a straightforward multi-step process that begins with finding a product and ends with confirming your order. Here is a step-by-step guide of how we can actually do this element in a very easy way. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is to go into Amazon.com. Now, I can strongly suggest you to create an account if you don't have one. This is for saving your addresses and your payment elements just in case you wanted to buy, let's say, more than once directly here into Amazon. If you're concerned about your security and you don't want to, let's say, have an actual account for storing your addresses or your payment, for example, you can do this without an account. But just in case you want, of course, to, let's say, save the labels, saved elements for return policies and whatever, the best solution is to have an actual account, just that you don't have that problem to the future. So here directly, now that you are directly here into Amazon.com, I'm going to click into the upper right section that says sign in, and what you can do now is to sign in directly in a very easy way. Now, the next thing to do is to select, for example, the product that you would like to buy. Let's say, for example, this specific product. So I search for the actual product that I would like to purchase, which in this case should be, for example, this Rosalina's storybook. So here's my product. Here is down below the description of the product, the details of the product, and when would you be receiving the product. It might be appearing directly in here. Now, unfortunately, this product is not available for the purchase, but what I can do is to scroll a little bit down and see if there's another product that I can purchase, right? So once you have selected the product that you would like to purchase, for example, let's say this one, you go for the option that says add to the cart. You can see that here it should be appearing more information about your product. For example, when it will be when you will be receiving your actual product. In my case, I think that I will be receiving this on Wednesday, October 29th. That would be 2 days from today. And here's the add to the cart. Here is the person who goes from shipped from and sold by. If you're a little bit curious about who is sending this product, who is selling this product, you can click into the seller and you can see that this one has a lot of ratings, 95% positive ratings, and there's a lot of products that they do currently have. So if you're okay with it, let's go for add to the cart. When you add to this product to the cart, it will be appearing now into proceed to the payment. So this is the part where you want to choose the option that says proceed to the payment, which you can review after you have reviewed the product. So in this case, here is proceed to the payment, says add to the cart. Usually this one offers free 7 days of Amazon Prime for only $1, less than $1, and you can get free shippings, free Prime Video, and Rappi Pro for 12 months free. In my case, I won't do this because I already have this. Now here, it should be appearing sensitive contents. You might be seeing this element blurred, but this is if this is the first time that you have done this process, that you're doing this process, it might be asking you to enter a delivery instruction address. Here you can add all the information about your address and about yourself, so you can start receiving your actual product. And down below, it should be asking you to enter a payment method in order to making the purchase. Now, what you can do if you don't want it to add a your information, you can choose a pickup location. A pickup location is, for example, a place where you can get your product, let's say nearby a place you are living. Let's say, for example, that I lived somewhere around in here, so I choose this specific pickup so I can receive this into this specific address. And it says from this day, you go for pickup here, and you choose that element, so they don't have to come directly through your address, and you can go directly to this pickup location and you can get your own product. So this is going to be really, really great when you want to, let's say, not tell them where you actually lived. And lastly, you can choose the option to pay with, and you choose your credit or your debit card. Once you have done this process, choose the element that says send to this address and continue with the purchase. Once you have now done this process, it will be appearing now inside your account. So you would receive an order confirmation email, and usually the item ships. Once the item is shipped, you can click into track the package to see if it's journey to your door. So if I click directly into my account, you can go for the option that says my orders, and directly here into your orders you can see that here in my case it says order placed. So I received the product let's say a week before sent to, and you can choose the option that says track the package. And directly here into track the packages you can see all the information about your order. Once again, this is sensitive information, so you might not be seeing this directly into this specific video, but this is how we can actually make purchases directly here into the Amazon, and really easily tutorial how we can usually get started with this product. So guys, hopefully this was a very useful information for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools on how we can get started with this kind of elements inside Amazon. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully with all of this been said, we can see you guys next time. See you soon.